welcome back, guys. So I'm here with ISEE hair once more. Really clean, professional packaging as usual. So we got our wig, then I got this envelope which is branded, and it has a few goodies inside. It has this branded elastic band that says wear and go. Right off the bat, you know we're working with a wear and go wig, and some extra combs, you know, for security for your wig cap. I also got this information booklet which just explains the M cap construction and just the features of it, the fact that it has maximum lace size, minimal knots, match ear shape, movable combs, mimic forehead contour, and there's a mark of authenticity. And then it really gets down detail into those features, so I love that. Last goodie in the box is a pair of wig cap. This is today's wig. This is ISEE M cap face framing layered cut body wave 9x6 wear and go glueless wig, and it has curtain bangs. You can see like everything comes pre-curled already, and it's just really soft and silky also. And of course, as I said, it's a glueless wig. All right, the knots are bleached and the lace is already pre-cut. It's pre-plucked as well in the hairline, and it's 24 inches long. I'm gonna put the density and all of that down below, so please go ahead and check that out. But the wig is giving it, as I said, very soft. As I mentioned before, the ear portion is shaped like has that C shape to accommodate, you know, your ear, so that the wig cap can sit comfortably on your head. The combs within the cap are removable, so if you're not like a big fan, if you're not a fan of the combs in your cap, you can go ahead and take them out. So they have the label on that and everything to show you so you know, that's all optional. You can also remove this extra elastic band if you're not into that, but all of this does add to security. So really easy, convenient wig construction, perfect for beginners. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the quick and easy installation of this wig. Guys, that's so snugged. Once I go ahead and pull that onto my head, that is so snugged. And as I said, the hair is super oh, you know what, you guys, I'm gonna change my top so you can see the hair better. Everything looks so good. As I said, it's a 9x6 closure, so you have a lot more parting space to work with. If you want to do like different styles, you could go ahead and do that, but you could even do like a deep side part, you know, part it wherever you please. But I love the fact that it comes layered, so you know, if you want that layered but you don't know how to do that on your own, like you can literally just buy the wig already layered, you know, and curled. So you just kind of play around with it, and the wig is laying so flat. Like, what? I think this is definitely a 10. You guys know it's like I definitely have all the glueless wig inspiration to show you guys, because I mean, glueless is just like it. You know, if you're not going glueless, what are you doing? It's just more convenient. You don't have to be confined to one look for too long. And when you have a construction like this that is well thought out and has all the features, like, you just can't go wrong. The ear portion is sitting so comfortably. Like you can see, my ear is comfortable. It is well snugged as well. The cap is well snugged on my head. It looks so melted, very undetectable. Like, what more could you ask for? It is a 10. ISEE is that girl though. Like, they get it. When it comes down to a good wig construction, glueless, they get it. The hair quality is definitely there. I 10 out of 10 highly recommend. Minimal shedding, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. I got just a few strands when running my hands through it. Like, literally I have like 2 strands right now. I got 1 more strand, but it's nothing excessive. It's very realistic So I'm here for that. The hair will shed, guys. It will shed. It's just on what level is it shedding. I always tell you this. So, you know, yeah. But it's giving everything it's supposed to give. You can just go ahead, as I said, play around with it and, you know, style it to your liking. I love that it comes pre-curled. Like, look at that. Look at that. The layers too, when your hair is properly layered, it makes your curls look even prettier, like the way they fall. So that is a plus for me. Like, shout out to ISEE for really taking time out to just construct the perfect M cap glueless wig. They definitely did it again, okay, because you guys know I've been showing you like really cool wigs from them for a while. So yeah, this is just another great one. Yeah, look at the way that falls. Like, that's gorgeous, absolutely stunning. But yeah, see, very easy, straight to the point, very beginner friendly. Even if you're not a beginner but you just don't have all the time to be, you know, grooming your hair, but you still gotta look cute and put together, this is a great option. So with all of that being said, the direct link to this wig is in my description box. Go ahead and check down below if you're interested in getting it for yourself or someone else. All the specifications are also listed. You know, any discount, any discount code, any sale going on, all that will be listed down below. That's it for today's wig look. Let me know if you found this informative. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.